Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. Hi everyone, ZC6, your underpaid, untrained, mature mechanic. And today we're doing the front wiper blades of my mom's 2016 Honda Pilot. So first things first. And flipping this way. So on the driver's side takes a 26. Hello neighbor doctor. Excuse their barking. Takes a 26-inch one, and so I don't forget, because sometimes I don't do these things right away. I wrote D on this side and P on this side for passenger. So we're going to start with the driver's thing. I don't feel like I should have to say this, but if the car's not in park while you're working on it like this, that's just, you're responsible for that. That's the gene pool doing the right thing. So, there we go. So these are stuck on, and this will spring back and smack the snot out of your window if you don't want to crack it. Let's talk about this wiper blade real quick. They're starting to streak. Normally it's not a big deal, but this is mom's car, so mom's got to get new wiper blade. I honestly think these are the original wiper blades from the factory because they don't have a brand on them, which is very possible because the car's only got like 50,000 miles, so I mean they wear out. So this right here is the little thingy that it hooks into. You got to push up, down one of these. Dude, look, spider eggs right there. Push down to get this to release this up, to slide this up so you can get it off. Now we've got that. First things first, get your old wiper, well, your new wiper blade out. And because sometimes part stores make mistakes, and hopefully O'Reilly Auto Parts Doug did not make a mistake, but we're still going to double check it, and that's 26 inches. So we're gonna, this is slightly different style. I'm a big fan of Bosch wiper blades. That's where they reinvent the wheel every time. So big part is gonna hook into there, and there's your little releases and stuff, but it's fairly simple. Then you're gonna put this little, basically a beautification cover for it. Right there. Snap it in. And you just kind of fight with this to get it to go back in there. Or, God, I'm an idiot. This needs to go in. This is something new Bosch is doing. Okay, so you got to feed it in. Like I said, leave it to Bosch or the Germans to reinvent the wheel. They do it so well when they reinvent it for the most part. Alright, let's do the passenger side, and that'll be a little cleaner. And making an appearance in Barks, we have Boudreaux, Annabelle, and Camo, who's just kind of cool. But that's the neighbor dachshunds. So now we got the passenger. So we're going to pull that out. Leave that there. Take this little plastic part off. Remember what I said about setting this wiper arm down quickly. Carefully, you don't want to shatter it. This is significantly shorter. This is what it says it's supposed to have. Maybe this one was replaced with the wrong one. I don't know. We'll see. If not, I'll replace it. But anyway, what it should be is a 22-inch wiper blade. So, we gotta feed this little piece in here. Oh, God, I'm an idiot. I forgot to put it on there. Even though I said we had to feed it. Feed that. Piece goes there. You just gotta clip these clips in there and boom, we're good to go. And then you just test it. But that actually wiper blade looks right. Kind of looks like the blade that was on it was too long. I don't know. It's really not, it's only a few inches short. I think the one on it was a 24 maybe. But, I don't know, it looks like it fits better. We'll see. If not, I'll replace it. I might be wrong. You never know. Alright, this has been Z66. I hope you enjoyed it. The neighbor dachshunds say hello too. Well everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandmother, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.